We'll start now how to see Java in depth actually. So we'll recollect what we have done in the last session. Last session we have created something called Hello World Java. Uh, this is there because my previous recording failed actually, it failed to save it, so I'm redoing it again. That's fine. So we what we have seen is Eclipse. What it does is it will compile the code for you and it will convert the program into a class file. So what you will be doing in Eclipse is hello world.java. What Eclipse will do is automatically, since there is a function by name build automatically, it will compile the program Java C to make the program to become a class file .class file. And .class file is a binary file. If you open it, you can't read anything because it is a machine for the machine actually. So for example, if you open a Sublime Text or something, it will just show 0 ones, right? You see, are you able to understand anything? Nothing will be there because these are all hexadecimal numbers. So only machine can understand it. Okay. So, but whereas if you can open the source file, you can see the source contents clearly because we have written this to generate something. Okay. Now I'll go to the new program, our calculator program. Okay. So new class. So as I said, just click the public static void main. This is the starting point of anything. So calculator. What we did, calculator, right? So then just type that. We are leaving this one empty because um, I'll explain you further actually, like what is the use of this empty and all. This package means, like, for example, in Puraya, if you take, we four guys are there, right? Myself, Asif, Sudhakar, and Sumaya is there. So generally we some of the times two of them will be working in a single project. Okay, so he will create a package, I will create a package. So take the Skype example. For example, take a Skype example. How the Skype is a software, right? This is developed by somebody in Microsoft, right? So how does Skype works? So Skype has, what are the functionalities Skype gives? If you take the functionality of Skype, what are the functionalities it gives? Maybe minimum 5 to 10 functionalities. What are the function? Video call, voice call, video call, screen sharing, file sharing. You can send a file to me when we are in a chat. Then fifth is contact management. When a contact, you can create contacts. This thing. Sixth is billing. What is billing? Billing means, like, in Skype you can buy credits. You know that, right? So from Skype you can call to a desktop, or sorry, desktop as well as a phone number, real phone number. So from Skype you can call to a mobile. So but for that you have to buy a refill package. So that is maintained in Skype. Then Skype recording feature is there. You can record whatever you're chatting in Skype, you can record it. So like this, there are a lot of functions provided by Skype. And just remember that Skype is not developed by 4 or 5 programmers. For sure, there'll be a team of programmers. So every team, minimum there will be five teams. Each team will have its own function. For example, if you take voice team will have its own function, which will create what the voice will do. So when two contacts are there, and if the contacts are, so what the voice team will do, so they will record the voice from one mic of the, for example, if you are calling your parent back home, so it will take your voice from the mic of this laptop, and then transmits it through the internet to the other Skype, which is and then from that other Skype it will go to the speaker of that laptop, right? From mic of your laptop, it will go to the speaker of the other laptop. So this is handled by a few set of programs. There will be huge set of programs which will be handling this. So they will make sure that they will eliminate the noise, they will capture the mic, this thing. So there are different types of mics, you know that, right? So for every type of mic, they will have some separate programs to receive it, decode it, and then again send it, and then again they will encode it, compress it. All those things, actions will be happening. So this will be handled by a single team, by called maybe voice team, that will have 4 or 5 programmers. Okay, so they will have a separate package. Separate package means separate folder. So their programs they will keep under a separate folder. Then second thing is, what is the other thing? Video call team will be there. What they will do? They will capture the screen from your webcam, and they will transmit to the other person, the other this thing. So even in video chat, you can mute your voice, right? You can mute your voice, and you can have a video chat, right? So video call is different, voice call is different, right? So in video call, you can just mute your voice and you can just see the person's video in the other end. So video team is there. But and third thing is the contacts team. So this team will maintain the contact, user ID, password, whether this person is online, offline, everything. So this is the core for any Skype program. So I can make a voice call only when the other contact is available online, right? Available online only I can make a call. If the other person is offline, I won't be able to make a call, right? So if for making a call, so my program, my for example, assuming I'm working in the voice team, so my program will check whether the contact is online or not, right? So if somebody is right, my program depends on the call teams program, so the contacts teams program to get whether the contact is online or offline, right? Assuming the contact goes offline, my call will go down, right? So this is what happens. So my program depends on the other team's program. So my program has to use a program from the contacts team to see whether that person is online or offline. So this interaction between my program and other program will happen through these packages. And this public, we have seen public, right? Public static. Public means it's open to all. Protected means it is only to the close community. Private means to nobody. So that we will see in later, but this is the whole concept of that. Okay.